This is Sly Tiger, Sly Tiger Survival. Now, let's do Hibernian. I listen to on National Public Radio. What, baby?
What do you want to have?
What do I want for Christmas?
Yeah.
I don't know, baby.
Toy?
No, I don't want toys. So I listen to on National Public Radio. There's a snowstorm around Spokane, and there's a lot of people without power, and that's what I believe is going on with Irish and why he's MIA. So just an update on Hibernian, what I suspect. That's what I highly suspect. Could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I'm right about that. I guess it was a big deal. There's a lot of people without power. More reason to be prepared. Just Sly Tiger, take care.